This is my little kayaking trip. Just wanted to get some video to remember it because this is super cool and I love Brian for taking me out here. So we've got like herons flying all over the place. There's some of the trees up there. You can see. It's got a lot of cool marsh area. Big lake. Brian's out there somewhere. We just paddled all through that. Tons of herons over in that tree at the very top, if you can see them. So it's pretty cool. Guess we'll just attempt this. Definitely have the camera in my bikini top right now. Let's hope it doesn't fall into the water. Beautiful out here. See everything over there?